Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Convertkit to Lastpass. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first just open the Lastpass and access your Lastpass on your browser or your device. And after that, just simply click on Add a Site button or the plus icon. And from there, guys, just simply enter the details. So first is the website. So just simply provide the website, which is app.convertkit.com. And from there, just simply provide your username. And from there, just simply enter your ConvertKit password. Now, once you have done that, guys, you can also add any relevant notes such as API keys or security questions. So this will be optional and depending on you. And from there, just simply click on the save so you can store your credentials securely within the LastPass. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.